Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Mi A2 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on auto rotation on this device. First of all, go into tab menu. Now find auto rotate icon and click on it. As you can see, auto rotation is now on. But you can also go into settings, choose display, tap on advanced over here and click on the switcher next to auto rotate screen. If the switcher is green, that means that auto rotation is definitely on. But you can always just check it out by going into any app and simply turning your XIAOMI device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!